Today, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on how to use Remo. When you land on the space, your microphone automatically turns on. You can also turn on your camera over here by pressing this button. And you can turn them both off by turning this off. When you turn on your camera, you can also switch to tile view right here like this. And you can also click the back to map to go back to your map. You can also double click on each table to go to that table, so you can see here. And when you go to a different table, you will only see and view the people that are active on that table and with their video and camera turned on. So if I double click back here, I will only see the other individuals here that have their videos and cameras turned on. After that, if you click on any person's avatar, if they've connected their LinkedIn, you can see their name, their profile, and the company that they work for. You can also connect them on LinkedIn here and view their profile, book them a meeting if they have a booking link connected, or message them. There's also a chat function. If you click on chat here, you can also chat in the general chat with people on the table, and also people also in the space. So you can say hi. So turn on your microphone, turn on your camera, double click on a different table, and find someone to chat with. Have a great event. Thanks.